Hey friends, Paul here. In a minute or so, I'm going to be showing you the steps in how to replace your goat skin drum head on a gourd drum with a goat skin like this that come hard. Got to be reconstituted in water. Now, after having replaced this a few weeks ago now, I'll tell you some tips. One thing, you can hear a little bit of a rattle in here. Now why that is, this head here was not banded with skin downward this way, or polyethylene cord or polypropylene cord, what have you, polypropylene. It was merely glued with, I used Elmer's wood glue. You can also use hide glue, but this is how this drum came. And I only glued around this edge, as you'll see here in a minute in the do-it-yourself video on how to do this. It's merely glued and lashed overnight, upcoming. On retrospect, to get rid of that rattle, what I should have done is glued this inner edge of the wood, because what's happening is that there's some vibration between the skin and the gourd wood there up top. Gives a little bit of a rattle, so just keep that in mind. Other than that, it's holding up really well. Changes in humidity. It's been very foggy here in the Northeast lately, and changes in humidity. High humidity will cause your head to sag a little bit and give it a deeper frequency. Lower humidity, high pressure will tighten up that skin and will increase or raise the frequency of the drum. Right now it's got a little bit of a saggy tone on account of the humidity going around. And again, because there's no tensioning cordage going down this way. This is non-adjustable. It's a very small but nice gourd drum. Okay, so let's get to the DIY replacement tutorial here up ahead. And before I get to that, please post your comments below if you are a gourd skin drum player or a djembe or doing any replacement heads yourself. My next project is going to be this Irish Bodhran drum, which I finished with beeswax, and I've got that all ready to go. It's a beautiful hand drum, and I will be using this nice, I believe this is an 18 or 16 inch goat skin, that I'll be using the same process here on this. So stay tuned and subscribe for this one, because this will be coming up this summer. So stay tuned for that. And now, without further ado, friends, let's get to the tutorial. Hey friends, recently I picked up a Bodhran Irish drum at a yard sale, and the skin was busted up. So I repurposed that old skin on a nice gourd drum here, which has been busted up for a while. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do this from scratch. I'm just going to put this thing on here like this in the most intact part of the skin, which seems to be, if you look in the light here, that part's pretty weak down where it busted out, but this part seems a little bit more rugged. So I'm just going to put that on there wet. You want to wet these because when they shrink they tighten, so put them on wet. And then I've got some TheraBand here from my physical therapy sessions. And I'm going to wrap that around the edge to tighten her. I put wood glue, Elmer's wood glue around the edge. And then with a friend, this is really helpful, to have someone putting tension on the other side. And then a couple tacks in here through the TheraBand and through the leather. Thanks for tuning in.